Hey, Fraser here. Let's talk about the coordinate plane.
The coordinate plane consists of two lines, a vertical line and a horizontal line. The horizontal line is the x-axis, and the vertical line is the y-axis. For our intents and purposes, we're going to be primarily using this today having to do with ordered pairs. An ordered pair is usually denoted by a parentheses and two numbers. Now this is called an ordered pair because these two numbers are always in the same order, being that x is the first number and y is the second number. So on the x-axis, to the right is positive, to the left is negative. On the y-axis, up is positive and y is negative. So if I'm going to show 3, 2 on this coordinate plane, I'm going to go 3 in the direction of x, then 2 in the direction of y. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3 on x, and I'm going to go up 1, 2 on y, and that's going to give me this point here. Now, if this was listed as A on our graph, we're going to make this A. Now, if I am given B is negative 2, comma 1. So I know that x is going to be negative 2 and y is going to be 1. That means it's going to go over 1, 2 to the left because it is negative, and it is going to go up 1. So it went over 2, up 1. So right here, this is where B is going to be. Now in the opposite direction, if I have to look at a graph and then figure out its point, such as point C, I'm going to do first the x and then the y. So I'm going to look at C, and I'm going to count over. It goes over 1, 2 points, and it went down 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the center, it went over 2, down 4. So first x, it went over 2, so it is 2. It went down 4, which is negative 4. And that is now done. We need to be able to go back and forth between looking at a ordered pair and drawing it and looking at a graph and saying the ordered pair. Now the only new thing that's in this is quadrants. Quadrants are 1/4 of the graph. So this is quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Point A is in quadrant 1. Point B is in quadrant 2. Point C is in quadrant 4. If we look at a point like this that is on the line, it is on the y-axis. If it asks you what quadrant is point D in, you can either answer point D is not in a quadrant, or you can say point D is on the y-axis. Both are correct. It is on the wall. It is on the line. It is not in one of the quadrants. That's it for today. Thanks for listening.